Hi there, I'm honored and super excited to be speaking at CloudDataDriven on April 24th at noon Eastern Time. So we've been doing searches in SQL Server for keywords for decades. So what's the big deal now? The big deal is with some of the new capabilities of AI, now we can do hybrid search with using vector, keyword, and semantic altogether. For example, if I have a list of products in a shopping company like Amazon or Walmart, I can ask them, give me a recommendation of fancy shoes for going to a grad party with a reasonable price, and then I can also be able to return if the size doesn't fit. We couldn't do that kind of thing before. And now just within the SQL Server with the new vector data type, we can do it. And I'll use a bunch of tools from the Azure portal and some Python code, and I'll show you how to do that. I hope you can join me.